However, under the umbrella of the microbial cell, besides the fungal cell and the bacterial cell, we have the algal cell as well. So algae, one of its examples, that is Chlamydomonas. Uh, so right here we can see this is the flagellum that is also used as a component for locomotion or its displacement, just like the pilus that is present in the bacterial cell. But all bacterial cells also have, some of them also have the flagellum. Uh, okay, so besides the flagellum, we have the vacuole, that is the storage bodies that are also present in the animal cell and the bacterial cell as well. And also we can see right here that is also present in the fungal cell. So mitochondria, that is common to all of the cells. It is actually used for the energy generation such as the ATP, through which the entire cellular procedure works, because each and every metabolism needs energy. So it has been provided from the mitochondrial body. We also have the Golgi apparatus in the Chlamydomonas cell. Golgi apparatus is actually utilized by the cell for the modification of the newly synthesized proteins, the proteins that are already synthesized in the ribosomes. And also we have the chloroplast that is unique to the algae and the plant cell, or what we say that it is unique to all of the photosynthetic cells, because chloroplast contains the chlorophyll that is green in color, and that is used up by the organism for photosynthesis purpose. This is the cytoplasm that is providing the fluidity to the cell. This is the prenoid structure, this is the pyrenoid structure, and the pyrenoid structure is used up by the cell for fixing the carbon by utilizing any carbon source such as starch grain in this cell. Algae is a eukaryote, hence it contains a properly confined nucleus right here. However, its stigma, that is also called the eye spot, is used for regulating the concentration or the intensity of the light, because as we know it is a photosynthetic organism, so it needs light's concentration or light's intensity for the purpose of photosynthesis. Okay, so let's go ahead. However, under the similar umbrella of the microorganism, we have viruses as well, but viruses structure is entirely different. Rather, what we have already seen back in the bacterial, fungal, and the algal cells. So these can be helical, these can be polyhedral, the spherical ones such as the influenza virus, and they can be much more complex, just as the bacteriophage. That is the bacterial virus. It actually infects the bacteria. So the animal cell, it is a most complex one, what we have already discussed about. So it contains a well-defined and the confined nucleus that contains the genetic material, that is the blueprint of a living organism. However, it also has the cytoplasm that provides the fluidity to the organelles so that the nerve synapses, the signals, and everything can be done through the signals, and the signals are passed from one organelle to another, from one cell to another cell, just because of that cytoplasm or the cytosol. We also have the centrosome, that is such an organelle that is present near the nucleus and helps with the production of the microtubules. We will have a closer look about the microtubules, the centrosome, and each and every nucleus in the later videos. This is the endoplasmic reticulum, and it provides a particular network of membranes that helps to synthesize the proteins and lipids as well. And on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, we can see the ribosomes, that are the small organelles, and mostly they are attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, but some of them are found freely in the cytosol. And these are also the ones that help to synthesize the proteins. Again, this is the mitochondria, that is the powerhouse of the cell, and this is the vacuole, that this actually helps in transportation and the storage of the materials, right? This is the cell membrane, and this is a lipid bilayer membrane. Here we can see the lysosome, that contains the digestive enzymes and break down the biological molecules as per the requirement of the cell under the normal conditions. And this is the Golgi apparatus, that is responsible for producing, storing, and transporting the proteins and lipids as well, and also for the transportation of the proteins and other molecules. So thanks for watching, and we'll be discussing about all of the organelles in details in the later videos.